Welcome to another GL Communications product demonstration video. This video will demonstrate our video conference test solution. In this demonstration, two endpoints will video conference with one another, and the resulting video quality statistics will be computed. A GL app is installed on each device and can run on Android, Linux, and Windows operating systems. The app connects to a Video Application Controller, or VAC Server. The VAC controls test parameters such as video and audio codecs, frame rates, and payloads. The VAC connects with the VQuad software, which remotely controls and fully automates the VAC tests. All results are forwarded to a central database and conveniently displayed in a dashboard known as Web Viewer, which can be accessed through a web browser. Here we show the VAC software. Click on File, Test Plan Configuration to configure a new or modify an existing test plan. We have created the test plan Android Test. Android Test has the following video, test scheduling, and audio options. However, keep in mind that all of these parameters are fully customizable, such as the codec, image size, frame rate, and audio codec. The VAC software is used to manually run tests. Click Parameter to configure test parameters, such as the source and destination endpoints. You can also load the previously configured test plan. The VAC software allows you to manually configure and start tests. Next, we will show the VQuad software for a fully automated testing solution. Here we show the VQuad software. Within VQuad, you can run scripts to fully automate the video quality test. In the Scripts tab, double-click to bring up the script. VQuad scripts are very easy to use. It's a very simple scripting language, and you can double-click on any statement to open a pop-up describing details of that statement. So for instance, in this command, this is where we actually connect back to the VAC software. So you see here that we're loading our test plan Android Test, and this is also where we configure the endpoints Test Agent A and Test Agent B. Now within VQuad you can also manually configure tests. So if we go to the VAC screen, which is where VQuad connects to the VAC server, you can again set the endpoints Test Agent A, Test Agent B, as well as load the pre-configured test plan, in this case Android Test. Down here we see the test status, and in the results tab you can see the results of all the different tests. So for instance, we see here that in the latest test we get a MOS video score of 2.37. This is the VQuad web viewer. It's a very convenient dashboard for viewing all of the test results. For any given test, you will see two rows because we compute statistics independently in each direction of the video call. You see here we provide many different metrics, such as the MOS score for the video quality, MOS score for the audio quality, and various IP network health metrics such as packet loss rate. WebViewer allows you to quickly identify video calls of interest. For instance, on this video call we see a very poor MOS score of 2, and furthermore for this call we saw that we had 6% packet loss. WebViewer also gives you many different options for outputting results. For example, you can export the results to many different file formats, and you can customize these reports to include any data that you're interested in. And we also have Google Maps functionality, so you can view voice and video quality results as a function of location. Along with viewing the results and outputting the results to custom reports, or even scheduling the custom reports to be sent to an email, the web viewer can also remotely control the VQuad node for starting and stopping tests. Thank you for watching. To learn more about our video conference test solution or any of our telecommunications test solutions, please contact us. We look forward to hearing from you.